Welcome back to another video. It's good to have you here. Today we're going to be looking at fad products. So what are fad products, and is it something good to jump on and sell on Amazon? All right, so stay with me. We'll be back in a second. Welcome back, guys. It's good to have you here. So, fad products. A perfect example of a fad product are these fidget spinners, all right? Terrible product, all right? Let me tell you why. These particular products were very popular last year. They scaled up really fast. There was a couple of kids on the Gold Coast that I heard, they made a whole bunch. They made six figures in like a month or 2 months or 3 months selling this particular product, all right? Guess what? It ain't selling anymore, right? So people are having hard times. If they invested in these particular products, they're going to be having hard times actually selling this particular product, right? So that's kind of why you don't want to jump on fad products. You want to jump on products that have a evergreen cycle, so they're not seasonal. If you jump on camping stuff, or you jump on skiing stuff, or you jump on stuff that you're only going to be making money or making sales 3 months or 4 months or 5 months of the year, that is not good. All right. If you're jumping on baby products, pet products, guess what? People are having babies throughout the year. It isn't just around the Christmas period, right? So jump on non-seasonal products that are consistently making sales throughout the year. Do not jump on Christmas decorations, all right? Because again, you're only making money 2-3 months of the year, right? So just think about that. Make sure your product is not seasonal. Make sure that it is not a fad product. You kind of want it to be, or have a life cycle of at least a year, 2 years, maybe 3 years. I mean, there are products out there that have got life cycles of 3-4 years, right? So make sure you jump on a product that is not going to just make you a quick buck. Make sure you jump on a product where you can build a brand, build this out as a proper business. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed today's tip. And if you'd like to find out more, visit our website. Bye-bye for now. See you later.